How to make homemade chicken noodle soup. First, start off by washing your chicken and patting it dry. Add olive oil all over your raw chicken and seasonings of your choice. Bake in the oven for 50 minutes at 450 degrees. Now let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Keep in mind portions may vary depending on how big of a batch you're making. We'll need to cut up 1 onion, 1 large carrot, 3 celery stalks, 2 garlic cloves, thyme, bay leaves, and cilantro. Now we add olive oil to our pan and turn the stove on high. We wait at least 30 seconds before we add our carrots, onions, celery, and garlic. When our chicken is ready, we cut it up into small pieces and add it to the pan. Now we stir and add our bay leaves and thyme. Next, we add our chicken broth or vegetable broth if you prefer. And our salt and pepper. And then we add our noodles. Egg noodles or shell noodles usually work best for this kind of soup. Lastly, we add our cilantro, remove the bay leaves, and stir. Hope you enjoyed this fast, simple recipe.